Zimbabwe will on Monday lay to rest two national heroes, Comrade Elsen Mupamaunde and General retired Herbert Chingono, in a joint burial that underscores the nation's continued reverence for its liberation war stalwarts. Sanapina Mashoko, anomuda nyimbo chinzi Double Heroes Burial Monday. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Zimai nomudanyira chiti, the dual send-off comes as the country mourns the loss of two distinguished figures whose contributions to the liberation struggle and post-independence nation building have been widely recognized. The veteran, Comrade Elson Mpabonde, who has been declared a national hero, died earlier this week, with his family describing him as a pillar of strength and a unifying figure. Meanwhile, the body of Major General retired Herbert Chingono has returned to Harare following a farewell in his rural home in Nyazura, where mourners from Manicaland province gathered to pay their last respects. According to the Ministry of Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage, his body will lie in state at several locations ahead of burial. His body will be taken to his farm in Mazowe and returned to the Harare the same day. On Saturday, the body will lie in state at his residence in Heston Park, and on Sunday it will lie in state ahead of the burial on Monday, said Ministry Director Miss Brenda Mamvura. He is survived by his wife Lois Chingono and 6 children. Both national heroes will lie in the state at Charles Gumbo Barracks before being interred in the National Heroes Acre along other liberation icons. Their joint burial marks a somber but symbolic moment in Zimbabwe, his farewell to two sons of the soil whose lives were defined by sacrifice, service, and commitment to the country's independence. Ndoma developments ari kuda panguva ino pamusoro pekutsakatika kuti mageneral pamwe nochinoka kunzi tomorrow on Monday aiwa kune vamwe who are going to be laid down. Pana comment section yedu safungiro aim today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.